What are you doing?
Swim.
Why are you wearing mommy's slippers? Hmm? Why you wear mommy's shoes? You're still young.
Still young?
Yes, you're still young.
I'm still young with my tummy?
No, your tummy is for old people.
For people?
Old people.
A puppy?
Hmm?
I'm not little. Little dog.
You're old already? Are you a big girl?
I'm using mommy's shoes.
Did you ask her?
I use mommy's shoes.
Did you ask her? You like shoes?
I like mommy's shoes.
You like mommy's shoes?
Hey, where's my boggle?
Your what?
My boggle.
What's that?
Something nice here. My boggle.
What is that?
My boggle say. Boy.